Problems on steady state RC circuits. In the following circuit, find the current in the 40 ohm resistor. If a capacitor of 5 microfarad is joined between the points A and B, what would be the electrostatic energy stored in the steady state? So here, between A and B, 40 ohm resistor is connected here. So clearly these two cells 10 volt each are connected in parallel. You can treat this 20 ohm as internal resistance. Then I can redraw this circuit. So this is one battery with 20 ohm resistance. This is another battery with 20 ohm resistance. This is 10 volt. They are connected in parallel. Then there is 40 ohm resistor. Now effective EMF, both are in parallel, so it should be 10 volt. Effective internal resistance will be 20 are in parallel, it should be 10 ohm. Right? Now current drawn from the battery should be equal to effective EMF divided by external resistance plus effective internal resistance. So it should be 10 divided by 10 plus 40. That should be 10 by 50, that is 1 by 5 ampere. This is current. Now what we need to find is current in 40 ohm resistor. Current in 40 ohm resistor is 1 by 5 ampere, that is 0.2 ampere. So this will give you part A. Now part B is, if 5 microfarad capacitor is joined between points A and B, then what would be the electrostatic energy stored? So capacitance connected here is 5 microfarad. What is the energy stored? To find energy stored, we need potential drop across 40 ohm. So if V is the potential drop across this, V should be equal to I into R. That should be 1 by 5 into 40. This is potential drop across 40 ohm. That should be 8 volt. So energy stored in capacitor will be half CV square. See, we need V for calculating energy, that's why we calculated this. So it should be half into 5 into 10 power minus 6 into 8 square is 64. That should be 32 into 5. 32 into 5 is 160 into 10 power minus 6. That is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 4 joule. So this should be the energy stored.